Here you can see white hot embers and a raging fire. And as I close the primary air supply, which lets cold air in, and open the secondary air supply, which is superheated, you can see the immediate effect of gasification. Here I have opened both the primary and the secondary air supplies. She is burning all right. And now I've closed the primary air supply and you can see the difference. At this point there were only embers left in the furnace. There was no burning wood and the effect of gasification is still going on.